are going to love the 2020 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great, comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, power driver's seat, front bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.